Hello guys, today I'll show you how to declare new variables in Power BI. For that, as an example, I will take weighted average price, some complex formula like where we calculate net amount of sales and quantity and divided sales by quantity, and how we can rebuild this formula. So for declaration of variables, we should write var, variables called sales, and we rewrite this formula. Then we declare variables called quantity. We write it here and return sales divided by quantity. So it's really simple, and we have the same formula like this one. We can rewrite it, but with this variable you can build more complex, more interesting formula, and Microsoft said that this is more efficient way and improve performance of your reports.